Hello everyone, welcome back to Speed Spectrum. The 2025 GMC Yukon Denali is the ultimate full-size luxury SUV, combining premium craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and commanding performance. Designed for those who demand excellence in every drive, the Yukon Denali makes a bold statement with its imposing front grille, chrome accents, and signature C-shaped LED lighting. Under the hood, it offers a powerful 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive shifts. For those seeking enhanced efficiency, an available 3.0-liter Duramax turbodiesel engine delivers impressive fuel economy without compromising on capability. Inside, the Yukon Denali redefines luxury with premium materials, refined finishes, and an expansive, comfortable cabin. The spacious interior features hand-stitched leather seating, genuine wood trim, and an available panoramic sunroof that creates an open and airy atmosphere. The 16-way power-adjustable front seats with massage functionality ensure a relaxing ride, while the second and third rows offer generous legroom and available power folding seats for easy cargo management. With a best-in-class cargo capacity of up to 122.9 cubic feet, the Yukon Denali is designed to accommodate both passengers and gear effortlessly. Technology takes center stage with an advanced 15-inch head-up display, a fully digital 12.3-inch driver information center, and an available 18-speaker Bose Performance Series sound system that delivers a concert-like audio experience. The 2025 Yukon Denali also features an upgraded 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring seamless connectivity on every journey. Rear passengers can enjoy the available dual 12.6-inch rear entertainment screens with HDMI inputs and streaming capabilities, making long road trips more enjoyable. Safety and driver assistance technologies are at the forefront of the Yukon Denali's design. GMC's Super Cruise hands-free driving system is now available on more roads than ever, offering a semi-autonomous driving experience with lane change functionality and towing capability. The Denali also comes equipped with a suite of standard safety features, including forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The available enhanced automatic parking assist and HD surround vision provide added confidence when maneuvering in tight spaces. Capability remains a hallmark of the Yukon Denali, with an available active response 4WD system, magnetic ride control, and an adaptive air ride suspension that automatically adjusts to road conditions for a smoother ride. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 8,400 pounds when properly equipped, the Yukon Denali is built to handle boats, trailers, and more with ease. The ProGrade trailering system includes an in-vehicle trailering app, trailer side blind zone alert, and a multi-camera setup for enhanced visibility, making towing safer and more convenient. For those who desire an even more distinctive presence, the Yukon Denali Ultimate Trim takes luxury to another level with exclusive Vader chrome accents, alpine umber leather upholstery, and an etched topographical map of Mount Denali on the interior trim. The Denali Ultimate also features additional premium enhancements, including a full-grain leather-wrapped dashboard, a 36-speaker AKG Studio reference sound system, and exclusive 22-inch wheels, ensuring that every drive is an elite experience. With its blend of power, sophistication, and advanced technology, the 2025 GMC Yukon Denali is the perfect SUV for families, adventurers, and professionals who refuse to compromise. Whether cruising through city streets or exploring rugged terrains, the Yukon Denali delivers an unparalleled level of luxury and performance. Experience the future of full-size SUVs with the 2025 GMC Yukon Denali, where innovation meets refinement in every detail.